The UN General Assembly celebrates June 7th every year as World Food Safety Day. This year, a national discussion on the topic Standards and Food Safety was organized on the initiative of the Deputy Prime Minister of Mongolia. The event was hosted by the National Reference Laboratory for Food Safety of the Mongolian Agency for Standards Metrology in collaboration with the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations and the World Health Organization's office in Mongolia.
During the discussion, various topics were presented, including food standards implemented in Mongolia, food supply and safety, policy measures within the framework of the national movement, trends in food safety policy, the importance of an accreditation system in food safety, and other related subjects. This year's theme for World Food Safety is being prepared for potential risks. The world operates within an interconnected food system encompassing food safety, food security, global food trade circulation, and more. Therefore, it is the responsibility of the United Nations to ensure the safety of this network. In addition, we have aligned food safety efforts with the health sector and established a collaborative policy in this direction, which has been submitted to the Food Safety Council of Mongolia. Further discussions are underway regarding participation in this field, concerning the role of ensuring the health of all citizens and providing healthy food in the realm of food safety. Internationally, Food Safety Day is celebrated by exchanging information and recommendations to prevent potential risks in the food safety supply chain, and by discussing the developments of food safety concerning human health, agriculture, and tourism.
The food safety is becoming a very complex issue globally as well as in Mongolia because our food systems are now connected. There are many food systems, the food safety challenges. One is, I think, coordination, to be able to coordinate our efforts across countries and within countries. Second is, I think we really need to have very good systems on promoting what we call the risk-based surveillance. We should be able to figure out where are the risks and how do we manage that. Then I think there are newer challenges that are emerging, and particularly we talk about use of antibiotics in food. The antibiotics are becoming a menace in the food system. A lot of the antibiotics are actually used in agriculture sector, which is problematic because at the end it goes into our food. So there are complex issues, but I think we also have solutions. And what is important is that countries work together and the different institutions within the country work together to address these challenges. FAO and WHO stand committed to support national governments, both internally as well as across countries, to tackle some of these challenges.
The National Reference Laboratory for Food Safety, under the Mongolian Agency for Standards Metrology, oversees food safety control reforms for various food products and raw materials at the certification level. It also conducts food safety surveillance research and risk assessments. As part of the project facilitated by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, the laboratory received preliminary analysis equipment for detecting pesticide residues.
The National Reference Laboratory currently assesses only about 70% of the safety indicators for food products entering Mongolia and those produced within the country. Similarly, our industry testing laboratories across 21 provinces cover just 20 to 25% of these safety indicators. To deem a food product safety for human consumption, a thorough review of all safety indicators is essential. Hence, addressing the modernization of laboratory equipment becomes imperative. Additionally, there is a need for empowering human resources. These issues are among the key topics being discussed in today's session.
In the national discussion on standards and food safety, stakeholders from the food industry, including government officials, regulatory organizations, food analysis laboratories, and private sector representatives participated. They discussed issues to be addressed in the implementation of food safety measures.